We're about to unbox this camera. These guys at SJCAM sent this to me and I'm so grateful for you guys. Check out the link in the description below if you want to buy one of these. So it like honestly looks like a GoPro from first angle, and you gotta appreciate a good boxing. These guys do it really well. Everything is like nicely wrapped on here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Nice, so smooth. See how it opens. Oh, push it out. Cool, so you see at first glance, it looks like just like a GoPro. It even has like the mount and stuff. And boom, here is the camera. So it's got the micro USB port right there. And I think you can throw in your SD card or your micro SD card somewhere. I'm gonna check it out for you guys. There we go. On the GoPro, yeah, that's how it came out too. So look, this one also has a little screen so you can watch what you're recording. I don't know what series the GoPro is out right now, but like Hero 9 or something is probably like around the same. This shoots 4K, that's why it's called the SJ4K. So I'm gonna let the camera fall out. So all this protectant does is basically protect it from like underwater and scratches when you drop it and stuff. It feels pretty sturdy, you know, it doesn't feel like a Chinese cheaply made product. I definitely am gonna take care of this thing, and now I'm gonna switch over to future me where I'm showing you what the camera actually looks like in 4K. Bless you. We're about to go grocery shopping. We ran out of groceries, sadly, and this world's not getting any cheaper, so, you know, we gotta go hit the grocery store.
Yeah, we're gonna need gas, too.
No way.
Yeah.
Alright, so also in the box comes with a charger, I believe, and this little tiny accessories package. So it comes with one more of the little adjustment holders, some more of these. This will be a tripod mount, and last, the USB charger, more mounting stuff. I presume it's like if you want to mount it to your car or like your bike or scooter, whatever like that. But yeah, that's all that comes in the packaging. So this camera is really sweet. It's really light and it provides pretty good camera quality. It would be used as like my secondary or third camera, like if I'm ever doing like a video shoot, you know, and I require different angles, that's when it would be used, and very seldomly. It's a very inexpensive camera, you know, but it's like a rival to GoPro because GoPro is so expensive. But I had one thing happen when I was recording, like the memory card like messed up, so I had to reformat it, so I lost all my footage that I did have. It was really good footage. If you guys want to buy this camera, definitely check the link down in the description below. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Tell me pretty lies.